What does the decline in the Chinese population mean for manufacturing in the West? China's demographic pyramid from 1950 to 2022 tells the fascinating story of the fastest aging population in the whole of human history. This year, the youngest of the baby boomers, the largest generation the world has ever known, turns 60. And as they transition to retirement, the financial burden falls to the generations that follow. And in the case of China, the future is looking bleak. Mao's one-child policy, introduced in 1979, coupled with their cultural preference for male babies, has reduced China's total fertility rate to just 1.18 children per female. A population requires a TFR of 2.1 simply to stand still. And this reduced birth rate has prevailed now for almost 50 years. As this next sequence shows, the United Nations predicts a dramatic decline in China's population over the coming decades. Indeed, the Shanghai Academy of Social Sciences, in conjunction with a study conducted by Victoria University, estimates that the Chinese population will reduce from its current level of 1.4 billion to just 525 million by the year 2100. More alarming than this, given the imminent retirement of the boomers, it is estimated that China's working population will reduce by a staggering 400 million between now and 2035, just 11 years. As a result of this, their labour costs will continue to spiral, and in an effort to remain competitive, the Chinese government will continue to direct unsustainable subsidies at its manufacturing core. Moves that have angered lawmakers in both the US and in Europe, prompting the levying of eye-watering tariffs in recent months. The days of cheap manufactured products from China are numbered. The West will look to reshore, whilst leveraging the massive technical advances that come from sophisticated automation of the manufacturing processes. In short, there are huge opportunities for those that can get their productivity right. 64% of the machines that we supplied last year were already fully automated, and we expect this trend to increase. The great reshoring era is upon us. All we need now is a new British government with the vision and the wherewithal to allow UK PLC to take advantage of these changes.